Supreme Court of India and Executive Chairman, National Legal Service Authority, Honorable Mr. Justice Dipankar Datta, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Ujjwal Bhuiya, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Mehta, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice N. Koteshwar Singh, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Joymalla Bakshi, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Bijay Bishnoi, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Sri Arjun Ram Meghawal, Honorable Minister of State, Independent Search for Law and Justice, Government of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Ashutosh Kumar, Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court, and Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Service Authority, Honorable Chief Justices of the participating High Courts, Honorable Mr. Justice Michael Jothan Khoma, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Service Authority, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be present at the East Zone Regional Conference of the National Legal Service Authority here today. The conference brings together the collective experience and wisdom of the judiciary and legal service institution from eastern and northeastern states. It is a meeting of minds committed to the common goal of making justice accessible, simple, and meaningful for every citizen. I welcome all the distinguished judges and members of the district legal service authorities and participants representing the 12 states to Assam and to the city of Guwahati on this important occasion. Your presence here reflects the strength of our justice system and our collective belief that law is not just a set of rules but a bridge of trust between the state and the people. Since independence, the judiciary has stood firm as one of the strongest institutions of our democracy. As the custodian of our citizens' rights and freedom, it has always played a vital role in upholding the rule of law and maintaining the balance among the four pillars of democracy. Whether it is resolving dispute between the center and the states, between the state and citizen, or among the states themselves, our judiciary has acted as the true guardian of human rights, the protector of the Constitution, and the upholder of our democratic values. But the judiciary's rule goes far beyond delivering justice. It has also empowered citizens by helping them understand their rights and by defending those rights through landmark judgments. Over the years, our judiciary has produced many great legal minds and earned global respect for its high standards and noble ideals. Its landmark decisions have strengthened our legal and constitutional framework and built a progressive body of law that inspires confidence and trust. The wisdom and commitment of our honorable judges and members of the bar have given our judicial system unparalleled strength, depth, and vitality. Further, the introduction of e-courts, online lok adalats, and digital legal services shows how our judiciary has embraced technology. This step demonstrates foresight and adaptability, ensuring that justice evolves with society. The creation of NALSA and its network of legal service authorities has strengthened our judiciary's commitment to ensure justice for all. It upholds the constitutional promise that justice must not be limited by economic and social barrier. It also ensured that even the poorest, the voiceless, and the people in remote areas can access justice. Through Lok Adalats, legal literacy programs, and paralegal volunteers, NALSA has taken justice closer to the people. It has reduced litigation, empowered people, and restored their faith in law as a means of peace and reconciliation. Under the leadership of the Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court and High Court, NALSA has grown into a nationwide movement today. It provides legal aid, spread legal awareness, and help the underprivileged use the law in their daily lives. The Lok Adalat movement in particular has been one of the most impactful innovations in Indian legal history. It has shown that not all disputes need procedural disposal, as many of them can be resolved through dialogue and compromises. NALSA's efforts inside prisons are equally important, where legal aid ensures that no person remains deprived of justice for want of representation. NALSA's awareness campaign in school, college, and the village have helped citizens understand their rights and duties. The true strength of NALSA lies in its human network of paralegal volunteers and legal aid councils who connect the law with the people. I deeply appreciate their invaluable service to make justice accessible for all. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has often spoken about making justice delivery accessible, swift, and technology-driven. He has also emphasized that in a rapidly progressing nation like India, delayed justice is denied justice. He has laid emphasis that our legal system should match our economic and social transformation. The Prime Minister's vision is to build a justice delivery system that is efficient and transparent, powered by digital innovation and reform. Under his leadership, the Government of India has launched several transformative initiatives. These initiatives reflect our resolve to make justice delivery a seamless citizen service. As a state government, we in Assam fully endorse and support this vision. Assam has a proud judicial legacy. The Guwahati High Court has long been the guardian of justice for the entire Northeast. Its contribution have shaped not only Assam's legal framework but also that of our neighboring states. Our judiciary has always upheld need to protect individual and community rights. It has played a vital role in maintaining peace and harmony during challenging times. The Government of Assam has been working closely with the judiciary to strengthen judicial infrastructure and improve access to justice. Over the last few years, several new court complexes have been established in districts like Borpeta, Golaghat, Sibsagar, Kamrup, and Dhubri. These modern facilities, including meditation room, libraries, vulnerable witness center, and digital connectivity. Work is also progressing on an integral judicial township for the Guwahati High Court and subordinate courts at Rangmahal in Kamrup district, measuring almost 40 acres of land. This project in 2 phases will be commissioned with a total outlay of more than 1,000 crores. This reflects our commitment to institutional modernization. We have made steady progress in bringing digital transformation to our justice delivery system. Today, technology is helping us make justice faster,
more transparent and more accessible to every citizen. E-filing has now been made mandatory